Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasetia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video we are going to learn how you can add Pabbly Form Builder leads to Mailgun account automatically. So the idea here is that you are a business owner and you have created a form using your Pabbly Form Builder account and you have shared that form with your customers to get the form filled, or you have embedded that form on a website. Now you want that whenever the customer fills that particular form, automatically the details of the customer should be added as a new subscriber to your Mailgun account so that you can send the promotional emails and messages to your customers in the future for your business related purposes. For this, we need to create a connection between Pabbly Form Builder and Mailgun. So in order to create a connection, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So in this particular integration, we are using Pabbly Form Builder, which is a form building software application. So in place of Pabbly Form Builder, you can also use JotForm, Typeform, Paperform or any other form building software application. And Mailgun is an email marketing platform. So in place of Mailgun, you can also use MailChimp, MailerLite, MailerCloud or any other email marketing platform. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. To start the integration, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. By clicking on sign up free button, you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Pabbly Form Builder to Mailgun integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a customer fills your Pabbly Form Builder, automatically a new subscriber should get added to your Mailgun contact list. For that, open this trigger window. Choose the application name as Pabbly Form Builder. In the trigger event, we have to select new form submission. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some instructions. So by following these instructions, you can set up the webhook URL in your Pabbly Form Builder specific form. So I'll copy this webhook URL from here. I'll take you to the dashboard of my Pabbly Form Builder. So from here itself, you can access the Pabbly Form Builder by clicking on these 9 dots and click on this Form Builder. So you will be redirected to your Pabbly Form Builder. So as I have already logged into my Pabbly Form Builder account also in a new tab. So I'm just going to access it from here. Here I have already created some forms, that is application form, enrollment form, recruitment form, sign up form. So we are going to just access this contact form from here where I have just 0 submissions. So I'll just open the form by clicking on this edit button. So in this particular form, that is contact form, I have taken the basic fields of the customer, that is first name, last name, email address and the mobile number. If you want to add some more fields, you can select the fields and you can add it to the form as per your requirement. And just click on this share button. You will get a form link. So using this link, you can share the form with your customers or you can embed it on a website to get the form filled. Various options are available: embed sliding form, embed full form, pop-up form. So you can select it as per your requirement. Okay. So let's move back to the form. Okay. Here we can find various options on the left side. We have to come to the integrations tab. And here we have to add the webhook. For that, click on this plus sign, add webhook button. Here we have to paste the webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect and click on save. Okay, so the webhook is saved to this particular form. So before saving the webhook, just make sure that you have selected your form from here. Okay, the form should be your specific form on which you want to collect the responses. So we have created an integration between this particular contact form and Pabbly Connect. So whenever the form is going to be filled by the customer, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and here we are just going to click on recapture webhook response option. Do you wish to recapture the response? Let's click on yes. Now it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to fill up the form on the name of a customer. So I'll go to the form once again, and from here itself we are going to access the form by clicking on this I button, that is preview. The form will get open in a new tab, and we are going to fill in the details on the name of a customer. Let's give the first name as Adam, last name as Smith, email address as adamsmith123@gmail.com. And let's add the mobile number and click on submit. Your message submitted successfully. Okay, so the form has been filled. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and here we can see the responses received and all the details of the customer through the form submission are captured over here. First name as Adam, last name as Smith, his email address as well as the mobile number. So now we want that using these details of the customer, automatically a new contact or a new subscriber should get added to your Mailgun account. For that, come to this action window, choose the application name as Mailgun, select the action event as new mailing list member, click on connect, click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API, private API key, Mailgun host and the domain name. So let us read the instructions. Enter API as it is and your private API key. To get your private API key, log into your account settings, security in Mailgun. So here we have to type simply A, P and I. For accessing the private API key, I'll take you to my Mailgun account. So this is my Mailgun dashboard. Here we have to just click on this small arrow sign and click on API keys. And here we can find the private API key. So I'm just going to copy this API key from here. And I'll be pasting the same API key over here in Pabbly Connect as a private API key. Okay. Now it is asking for the Mailgun host. Enter the region your domain is hosted on with Mailgun. So as we are in US region, I am selecting this particular Mailgun host and I am copying it over here. You have to select your region and you have to paste the Mailgun host over here. Now the domain name is required. Let us read the instruction. The domain name to use from the list of domains in Mailgun, the domain must reside in the same region as selected above. For that, I'll take you to my Mailgun account once again. Here I'll be clicking on the sending option and here we can find the domains. So I'll just copy this domain from here and I'll be pasting the same domain name over here in Pabbly Connect, and let's click on save. And now the Mailgun account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Mailgun account. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your Mailgun account. Now here we have to select the list name. So as we have created a connection with Mailgun, here we can find all the lists that we have created in our Mailgun account. So I'll take you to my Mailgun account once again. And from here we can find the mailing list option. Click on it. And here you can see that I have created several lists: admin, elementer, first add, form stack. So all the list names are captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So I want all the contacts to be added to this particular admin contact list or admin mailing list. So I'll be selecting the same admin name over here in Pabbly Connect. You have to select your list name. Now it is asking for the address and member name. So address will be the email address which we have already received through the form submission, the email address of the customer. So we are going to map this email address now. For mapping, click over here, come to Pabbly Form Builder and select the address. Now it is asking update, yes to update member if present, no to raise an error in case of duplicate member. So you can select it as per your requirement. I am just keeping it as yes. Now here we have to map the member name. For mapping, come to Pabbly Form Builder and let us map the name, that is Adam, as well as the last name also, that is Smith. So we have mapped all the details. Now let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received, and in the message we can see mailing list member has been created. So let's check our Mailgun mailing list and let's scroll down, and here we have to just refresh it. Let's scroll down. Okay, and here we can see that Adam Smith is added as a new subscriber to this particular mailing list. And in this way, our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now we have to check this in the real time, that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, I'll just go to my Pabbly Form Builder contact form once again, and I'll just open the form once again in a new tab so that we can fill in the details on the name of some other customer. Let's give the first name as Kuldeep, last name as Jan, email address as jank11@gmail.com, and let's add the mobile number and click on submit. Your message submitted successfully. Okay, so the form has been filled. Now we have to check our Mailgun mailing list. We have to refresh it once again. Let's scroll down, and here we can see that Kuldeep Jain is added as a new subscriber to our Mailgun mailing list. And in this way, our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Pabbly Form Builder and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the customer through the form submission, and using those details of the customer, automatically a new subscriber or a new contact was added to your Mailgun contact list or your Mailgun subscriber list. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Pabbly Form Builder and Mailgun using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.